3.1 increasing and decreasing functions. If a function is increasing, as you see in this picture, the slope is positive everywhere. It's just saying that the slope is increasing as well. See, here is the slope, and here at the later point, the slope getting sharper. True? So the slope getting bigger here, also positive. To indicate that the region that your function is increasing, you need to find a region that the slope is positive. Here, this is decreasing. And as you see, the slope, instantaneous rate of change at each point is negative. So interval in which f(x) is increasing, you find the derivative of the function, and you find the sign of your function in a region that is f prime is greater than 0. This could give you an increasing interval. And when your f prime is less than 0, is give you the region your function is decreasing. F prime again indicate the derivative of the function. Derivative means slope or instantaneous rate of change. This is an example. Find intervals of increasing and decreasing of the function. So I take a derivative of this function, power in front, power minus 1, 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, x to the power of 2, plus again here, power in front, 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, power minus 1, 2 minus 1 is power is 1, negative 36x as a line, the slope of the line is negative 36, and the derivative of the constant is 0. You need to write this one in a factor form. How do we do that? Just find the two numbers that addition is 1 and multiplication is negative 3. The number is plus 3 and negative 2. If you added positive 3 minus 2 is 1. And if you multiply it, 3 multiplied by negative 2 is negative 6. So you write in a factor form, then you use the number line. So this is the number line. The zeros from this bracket, x plus 3, you equal it to 0. Also, x minus 2, you equal it to 0 to find the 0 of this function. From here, the x is equal to negative 3, x equal to 2. Here means your function at these points are the f prime at these points is 0. So I write this roots or the zeros from the smallest to the biggest. So the smallest one is negative 3, and then 2 is coming. So I put a line below each of these two number. Now I need to try. So I know at negative 3, the f prime is 0. I put 0 on that line. At 2, your f prime is 0. So I put 0 here as well. Also, I need to do a test point. Above 2, you can choose any point, like what? Like 3. This is test point. Between negative 3 and 2, you can choose any point. You can choose negative 1, 0, 1. I choose 0, is easier. Below negative 3, you choose a point. I choose negative 4. Then you do it. So here's 0. If I put 0 here, 0 plus 3 is 3. 0 minus 2 is negative 2. Negative 2 multiplied by 3 is negative 6 multiplied by 6 give you a negative number, right? So between negative 3 and 2, then it's negative. I put 3. 3 plus 3 give me a positive number. 3 minus 2 give me a positive. So positive multiplied by positive is positive. If you put negative 4 plus 3 give you a negative number for this bracket. Negative 4 minus 2 give you a negative number here. Negative multiplied by negative is positive. So put the positive here. As you see, the interval your function is increasing interval is the one that is positive, right? So x greater than 3 and x less than, sorry, is greater than 2. It's greater than 2 and x less than negative 3. So this is increasing. And decreasing interval is when your f prime is negative. So this part. So x is between negative 3 and 2. Because you see what happened exactly at -3 and 2. At these 2 points, your instantaneous rate of change exactly 0. So this is the point, see? This is the 2 points that you have maximum and minimum, right? So this is increasing. Let me just show you. Positive means increasing. Your function is increasing. From here to here is decreasing all the way down to here. Then again, here is increasing. So that point going to be your maximum at -3, and you have a minimum at 2. Okay. So for the worksheet, just erase this. So you do this, determine the value of is equal to 0. So you can 1 part G you can do, and 2G again, even each the F prime. So question number 3, question number 4, and 5.